Alright YouTube, we're looking at a Sentry 1250 safe, no combinations, so we're going to actually drill it open. Tons of videos on YouTube of how to just pry these open, smash them open, throw them off a building, whatever. But say maybe you had something in here that you don't necessarily want to hit with a sledgehammer or throw off of a back of a moving pickup truck or something. So there is a way, drilling a hole in it and using a little scope here, that you can actually get these things open. Now what I've done already is I drilled a 3/8 hole. It's basically just the center of the dial, straight across to right where this little lip is. And it's just a 3/8 hole into the safe. So we got through the outer wall, through the fire retardant, which does make a mess, and then into the little, there's a little cover on the back of it that protects the bolt work from something falling into it and jamming it up. So you got to drill through that as well. And you want to be pretty careful because you don't want to actually go through and hit anything inside of it. And now I'm screen recording on my little scope here. And I'll put a link to this scope too, so you can check this out if you want to get one. I guess you could always just drill a bigger hole too. But what we're seeing here is the wheels inside of it. The one all the way on the left that you see moving right now, that one is the third number. So I keep turning it to the left, and we'll pick up the middle wheel pack, and then we'll pick up the one closest on the right of the screen, which is the one closest to our to the front of the safe here, and that's our number one number in the combination here. So what I'm doing here is just looking for where the fence is to make sure I get it in the right spot. So that one looks good on our first one. Now we're going to turn the dial to the right, and we'll pick the middle wheel up. And we'll rotate that till we see that lined up on there. Looks good. Now we'll rotate it back to the left, and we'll see the third and final one. And once we got that one lined up, the safe should open. And there we go. So now we've actually got it open here. So I'll show you the little hole right here drilled through. And that actually gets the safe open. And I'll make another video on how to recover the combination if for some reason you still wanted to use this thing after all this. And so stay tuned for that video here. I'll post this video after that one's done here, so you'll see them both at the same time. In the meantime here, we'll just do a little patchwork on our safe. And pretty much, I guess, kind of good as new. So anyway, questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments. If this helps you out, consider maybe subscribing, hitting the bell, and all that fun stuff. And until next time, I'll talk to everybody later.